Baby, you're full of grace like mackerel.
Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Pickup lines. Many countries have them. Jamaica is no different. In fact, Jamaican men are known for their lyrics, swagger, and confidence. Even when the lady being pursued is not interested, they will still use their pickup lines. Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. In today's video, I will tell you 16 of the most hilarious pickup lines I've ever heard. Baby, you look good like when me across road. Baby, you tick like when porridge cool. Me want pose with you like a domino. Baby, give me your number now. Me lost mine. If I'm on holiday, cause the angel are upon earth. You're hotter than 10 fireside. You're pretty like Christmas tree. You look strong like when ram goat run left rope. Baby, that smile there give me diabetes. You walk full of grace like mackerel. Baby, bucket one drop in my life now. 12. If you whisper something sweet in my ears, I'll be your dance, I go take it up. If you can't give me your number, give me your boyfriend one. I want to ask him who want to play in a cash pot tomorrow, because I don't know how him wants so lucky. Me love you like cook food. Me would have climbed a maca tree naked for you. Baby, you're selling a pings? You look like 2-yard wife material. If you are still here, please click that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. Please tell me, what's your favorite Jamaican pickup line? What's the most hilarious one that you've ever heard? Please leave your answers in the comment section below. Also, please like the video if you liked the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so right now. And please check out the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.